Can you briefly introduce yourself?
Yes, my name is Andreja Jonoski. I work here at UNESCO-IHE in the Department of Integrated Water Systems and Governance, and I'm actually part of the Hydroinformatics chair group.
Can you explain a little bit about your background?
I am a civil engineer by background. I came here at this institute to study 18 years ago. I studied first groundwater hydrology. That's what I did for my master's, and then for my PhD studies I did a study in hydroinformatics, and then I continued working in this field.
And where are you originally from?
I'm from Macedonia originally, yes, but I live here in the Netherlands now for 18 years.
And recently you have organized a delegation of UNESCO-IHE to go to Macedonia for a conference there. Can you explain a little bit about the conference?
Yes, our delegation went in Macedonia to attend the BALWOIS conference. This was the 5th BALWOIS conference. It is a conference that is organized in the fields of water and environment, primarily for experts from Balkan region. But it is already a 5th conference, and started in 2004, and it has grown quite a bit, so there are attendants from other parts of the world as well. It's quite international now, actually. And our delegation of UNESCO-IHE was first there as an official delegation. I attended the first conference in 2004 and the 4th conference in 2010 as just an attendee of the conference, but this time we decided to have a bit more prominent presence on this conference, because it is, we think, important both for our institute and for the conference and for this region in our fields.
Why do you think UNESCO-IHE should be involved more in the Balkan region?
It is a region that lacks capacity in many ways in the fields of water and environment, and I think we can contribute to develop this capacity in the fields of water and environment. I am from the hydroinformatics field, and I have a strong belief that we can help with all kinds of tools that are emerging in our fields to make a more integrated and more successful approach to these problems in the region.
And can you finally say also a little bit from your point of view what the issues are in the Balkan region with regard to water and environment?
Well, there are many difficult issues. I think individual countries have their own problems with lack of capacity individually within the countries, but also many of the water resources are shared in the region. It's not like it covers one big shared basin, but there are many small basins that are shared across 2-3 countries. And this transboundary nature of the water resources forces the countries to develop cooperation. And all these countries are looking into the European experiences, into the European approach to do this, but there is still a long way to go to develop this cooperation. So I think that there is a lot of work there.
And aside from capacity building, training, how can UNESCO-IHE be involved more also with regard to networking or partnerships?
Yes, actually we already started some discussion about the possibility to start develop a Balkan network on water and environment around this event of BALWOIS. It's really important that different knowledge organizations, universities start collaborating. And through this networking, we want to develop first the capacity building activities, like training courses and workshops and sharing of experiences. And later on, we would like also to bring more of these partners into research activities that we could do together, possibly apply a bit more for European research funds. That is something that is still a bit lacking in this region, I think.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome.